Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Continuing our sessions on the Trezor desktop suite and how to store each individual token. We are now on USDT Tether. So today I'm going to show you guys how to store Tether on your Trezor Hardware Wallet through the Trezor desktop suite. So what we're going to have to do is obviously log into our Trezor suite, which I have done here. And what I'm going to want to do next is head on over to tokens. Since USDT is a token, we're going to need to add the contract address to our account. That way we can store it there through our Ethereum address. So I'm just going to minimize the Trezor desktop suite right now and then head back over to my browser. And as you can see here, I have USDT chosen on Mandala exchange. I'm going to withdraw some today for the demo. But before I do that, I need the Tether contract address. So I'm going to go over to Etherscan. I'm going to type in USDT. And as you guys can see, Tether pops up. It's been verified. This is the verified contract address. So I'm just going to hit copy address. Now I'm going to head back on over to Trezor Desktop Suite and then go over here and hit Add Token. Paste that token in, hit Add Token. And now as you guys can now see, USDT is added to my token section. So now to actually send the Tether over to my account, I just need to go to Receive, hit Show Full Address, confirm the address on my device. Once confirmed, hit copy address, and then now we can head back over to the exchange to withdraw the Tether. Just going to minimize this, head back over to the exchange, paste my address in, and then hit, we'll just say $50 today. So as you guys can see here, the Ethereum network is extremely busy, fees are high, and half of my withdrawal is going to go to fees, $24 to be exact, which is pretty crazy, right? When you're only withdrawing 50, you're losing half of your money. So usually when I'm using the Ethereum network and Tether, I'm most of the time I'm transferring larger amounts, so it doesn't hurt as much. But if I want to transfer another way, there is another option. Now, in my previous video, I actually showed how to store the Binance coin or Binance token on your Trezor device through Metamask. Now, you can actually do the same thing for Tether, as it's a token that has Binance Smart Chain compatibility, as you guys can see here. And if I switch over to Binance Smart Chain, my fees go from $24 or $26 to 80 cents, which is a drastic change, right? Especially for people who are doing smaller transactions, you don't want to lose a ton of money. So the first part of the demo today, I'm going to show you how to do this through Ethereum, and then I'll show you how to add the token on the Binance Smart Chain to save money on fees if you want to do it that way for smaller transactions. So as you guys can see, I've pasted my address in. I have $50 selected. I'm going to hit submit, and I'm going to verify the transaction. And now I've verified my withdrawal from Mandala exchange to my Trezor device through Trezor Desktop Suite. So once the transaction is done, I can head back over to the Trezor Suite and wait for my USDT to show up by going to the token section here. And there we go. As you guys see, the Tether has arrived in my Ethereum account on my Trezor Desktop Suite. And that's it. Now if I want to unplug my Trezor, my USDT is stored on my device and it's safe. If I want to send that USDT off of my wallet back to the exchange or any other wallet, I would just hit send, click on USDT, paste the address I want to send the USDT to, how much I want to send, and then hit review and send. And that's it. Now I told you earlier in the video, there's another way to do this that obviously costs me less in fees. If I minimize this and head back over to the exchange, as you guys can see here, the Binance Smart Chain option, right? Which drastically reduces the fees. So to do this, all we need to do is once again go back to Tether on Etherscan, copy the contract address, and we'll head back over to our Metamask account. Now in a previous video, like I said earlier, I've shown you how to set up the account linking to your Trezor. All you would need to do in this case, if you wanted to use the Binance Smart Chain instead of Ethereum, is you would have to import your token, paste the address, USDT pops up, hit add custom token, go to back. And now if you actually want to send tokens from the exchange to your Trezor device through Metamask, you would just copy your address, paste it in this section here, put the amount, and then send it there. So that's another way to send your tokens, your USDT, to your Trezor device linked through Metamask without incurring a ton of fees, which, for most people is a massive deal. So if you want further instruction on the initial setup process of linking your Trezor to the Binance Smart Chain, my video previous to this one has all of that information, and I will link it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching, everyone. If you're liking the content you're seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the bell notification on to get all updates on new videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.